Welcome back guys, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Today I am unboxing water pump pliers, also called as grip joint pliers or groove joint pliers. These are having, let's unbox the thing and see the plier. This is the plier and here you can see the gap. This will move from right to left, left to right. These are called adjustable jaws. These are adjust from here to here and these grips are very firm and used to grip round and hexagonal pipes. And these open wide and can grip than other players. And also this can open things which are not been possible for other players. These are used in plumbing or automotive several industries. In plumbing, these are used for tightening and loosening large pipes and joint valves and etc. In automotive, it is used to open stuck bolts and other things. This is the plier, guys. This will move from here to here. Very grippy thing. I bought this to open my sink pump bottom filter. That is the main advantage for me. There are so many tasks done by this. If I tell all the things, the video will go very long. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.